Welcome to iPhone Apps 101. This is a course that's going to get you started on app development with SwiftUI for the latest platforms, Xcode 16 and iOS 18. This stuff is always evolving. And so I wanted to make a new course. I published this course 6 years ago, and I really wanted to make it so that it supports your own learning goals. This course is designed to get you started with SwiftUI and app development, and it's project-based. So we will be building an app together, and then I will be providing different lessons that will help you with whatever your app goals are. And the course is going to evolve over time. It is a live course that is starting on January 10th. There's going to be live office hours to support you, and I will be creating new lessons based on student interest from January through February, and we'll sort of flesh out the course together to help you make the apps that you want. We will culminate everything with a capstone project, which I'm calling a SwiftUI App Hackathon, where we'll turn your app idea into something usable. All right, so that is a brief overview of what this course is about. Let's dive a little bit into it so you know how to get started with everything. Thank you for watching this overview of this new course that I'm publishing. If you want to join the course, the link is down below. You can get access to that, and I will see you in the course. So this is the course syllabus. It's going to be broken down into 10 different sections. We've got the Kickstart Your iOS Journey, which is all about getting started and learning some of the different tools that you'll be using. I will be offering one-on-one app coaching. If you want to sign up for that, you can book time on my schedule. And then the course is going to start with designing a weather app. This is going to be consuming a REST-based API, and we'll be building it from scratch. I'll be taking you on a guided tour of how to do that and how to enhance it. And then we'll learn how to improve your iOS development skills. So different skills that you might want to learn. And you don't have to watch this sequentially. You can sort of pick and choose as you need them. We'll have a section here on future-proofing your iOS skills. So this is talking about overcoming challenges with Xcode. This is debugging, understanding how all of that works, as well as working with AI. In 2024 and 2025, I guess now we're in 2025, you need to understand how AI works. You can leverage it to help you learn, and sometimes you can have it write code for you. It's not always going to work. Maybe that'll change by the end of the year, but it's a great thing to complement when you're stuck. So I highly recommend that. In the fifth section, we're going to cover a lot of different SwiftUI fundamentals, and you'll learn things that will help you make the UIs that you want to make. In section 6, it's all going to be about the app hackathon. So that's taking an idea all the way to test flight or the app store, and getting something to prototype stage. I have a coffee app that's been in perpetual prototype stage, and this has had 1,600 different people install it, and I've had over 5,000 people sign up for my email newsletter on coffee. So there's interest in this type of thing. So if you can make a prototype in a weekend or 2 weekends, you can have something that you can demo in a YouTube video and get eyeballs on and evolve over time and find people who want it. So we're going to be building a hackathon app. It's not going to be a fully complete app, but it's going to get you started, and you'll be able to get some customers or users to try it out and give you feedback so that you can iterate on it. I'm a big fan of hackathons and iterating on app ideas. In next steps, this will show you where you can go after the course. And then if you're in the course, I'll have live office hours. Now, these will not be posted on YouTube, so that's going to be part of the course if you want to participate in that. And then we'll have design and code challenges. Again, this is something that will not be on YouTube. So if you want to do any of these design challenges or get some of the solutions, you'll need to sign up for that. And then we've got some behind the scenes. As I'm making this, especially in the beginning sections, I will be scripting some of the lesson plans, and so I'll know exactly what I need to do, but that's only based on experience of actually writing the code the first time. Some of the behind the scenes, I'm going to show you how I think, how I approach different problems before I actually have a fully working solution. So that's where some of that will go. All right, so that is the course overview. Just to give you a quick lowdown, I will be taking requests throughout the course. This is going to be for students in the course. So if you want to add some requests, you can just email me or you can comment on any of the course videos and I will add stuff here if it makes sense. If it's going to be in a future course, I'm going to have sort of future course topics where things can go as well. Okay, so that's what you can sort of look forward to. And then in terms of the course, this is going to look a little bit gnarly, but this is my color coding system. This is going to be a new course, so it's brand new. And basically red, green, and yellow are indicating status here. So you're going to see a 1 if it has not been done. You're going to see a 2 if it's been done or it potentially needs to be edited or something needs to change. Maybe there's a fix or a problem. And then 3 means it's done, it's uploaded, you can start that. So this is my color coding system. I've got, I think, 13 lessons that are currently online for the course, and I'll be updating this as it goes. Now, the other thing you're going to see is 0. 0 means that's not going to happen. So some of these were YouTube only, and then some of the content is going to be course only. So you will see down here, the community, the quizzes, the challenges, these are only going to be available in the course itself. So if you want to get access to all of that, you will have to buy the course. I will be posting a lot of the content, like this content will be going to YouTube, and I will be dripping it out over time. So it's not going to be available at the same progression as the live course. So if you want to participate, you're going to need to buy the course, which you can find down below if you're not already in the course. Okay, so this is sort of the content that you can sort of expect in the course. Some of this is going to change over time as I get to film those lessons, but this is my rough outline. Right now, I'm targeting around 50 to 60 lessons. There's going to be more videos with all the office hours. And there's going to be some additional content based on student interest in stuff like the SwiftUI fundamentals and the hackathon resources. There will be definitely some resources there. Again, hackathon is part of the course, so you're only going to get access to that there. And then the design challenges at the end to sort of push yourself. I do have one posted on YouTube, so you can get an idea of what that's going to look like. But there's going to be more in-depth tutorials and challenges as part of the course. So that is the course. Now, in terms of timeline, let's see if we can pull up the schedule. We're going to have the first office hour kickoff next Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern. That's New York time zone. And then the kickoff for the course is going to be at 8 p.m. on January 10th. There's going to be 3 weeks to sort of get through the content that you need to get through, and then we're going to have a hackathon. Now, I'm not looking for the most perfect app, but by this point, you should have enough skills to be working on some of those features that your app needs, potentially faking some of the things that you don't necessarily need to have exactly working so that you can get this app into the hands of hundreds or thousands of people. So that's the point of this class, is we're turning ideas that are in your head into something that you can run on an actual iPhone. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope that this is inspiring, and I look forward to seeing you in class. If you have any other questions, you can reach out to me. It's paul@supereasyapps.com. My details are down below. Hey, this is Paul Solt from Super Easy Apps. If you want to join this course, check out the link that is down below. And you can join iPhone Apps 101. This is a live course. It is kicking off on January 10th. And I look forward to seeing you in class.